I'm going to try to make this as relaxing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those who are new, welcome to my channel. For the past 2-3 days, I feel like my skin has been really needing some TLC. I mean, I am breaking out over here. I don't know what is going on. Also, my nail broke and I need to paint my nails. But for now, I just need to take care of my skin. It's asking for a little bit of help, and I love doing masks and taking care of my skin. And normally what I do is my Multani mask. For those who don't know what I'm talking about, I did do a video on that and I'll leave the link to it up here. So I was actually about to do that mask, but that's when I saw this right here, and this is the JOAH Skin Polish Peel Off Mask, and it is the charcoal one in deep cleansing, exfoliation, and pore minimizing. I got this from an Ipsy event that I went to, so I haven't had a chance to obviously try it out, and I figured why not. I have watched videos on charcoal peel off masks and people being in pain trying to peel it off. Hopefully I won't be in pain. I don't want to be in pain, but I do want to try this out, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. It's just a little sample pack. You just have to apply it on clean, dry skin, which I've already washed my face and I've already dried it. It says to avoid your eyebrows, your hairline, your lips, and your eye area, of course, and then leave it for 20 to 25 minutes or until it dries, and then peel it off, and then rinse your face with warm water. So we're gonna go ahead and try this and see how that does for my skin. I can pretty much use any help as of right now, so I'm gonna try to make this as relaxing as possible. So I do have my water right here. I'm gonna put on some music and wait for 20 to 25 minutes and see how it looks. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have my little silicone brush and I put a little bit on there, and I'm gonna just go ahead and apply it now. Ooh, it's cooling. You know, for something that shouldn't really touch your hair because you're peeling it off, I do have my hair out, which is not smart. So let me just put this back like that. There you go. Oh no. Yep, I definitely got it on my hairline and my eyebrows. So I'm gonna have to go wash that part off. Why am I so bad at this? This is supposed to be relaxing, right? So far, I'm stressing out. Oh no, I'm getting it everywhere. Okay. Come on, let's be smart about this. There goes my hairline. Need some for my nose. Do I have enough for that? Am I dropping some? What is going on, miss? Avoid the lips. Alright guys, I think I'm done, but I did get some on my eyebrows right here, as you can tell, because I'm not very good at this. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe that off before it gets crazy, and I'll be back. So that took about 5 minutes to do. I just cleaned out my eyebrow area and my hairline because I'm not trying to pull that out. And I'm going to put 20 minutes on the clock, and we just wait around, and I'm just going to put on some music and drink some of my water while I still can. And yeah, I wish I had more to put on my nose area, but that's what it is. Okay guys, so it's been 25 minutes. Everything feels dry. Now it's the time to peel it off. So let's go ahead and try to do that. You always start at one. I don't know what I need to start at. Ooh, okay. I got an end. So just taking that piece of. Ooh. Oh. Okay. All right. We're good. We're good. Oh, that wasn't dry. But that's okay. It's just a little piece. So far, so good. It's actually quite satisfying to peel this off. I'm trying to do it in the neatest way possible. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. All right, we're good. We're good. Oh, that feels weird, but feels good at the same time. There it is, guys. Ew. And that's the back of it. As far as seeing anything on here, I do see just like a little bit of whiteheads, like a little here and there, but nothing much. I don't know if you guys can see anything, but so that's what it looks like on this end. I think I see some whiteheads. I don't know. Yeah, I can see a little bit of whiteheads. I don't know if you can see like up here or something, but now I can see a little bit of whitehead. But other than that, this area feels so weird. I think I had a little bit here. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face with warm water like they said I should. So let me go do that. Okay guys, so I am back. I just washed my face with warm water, and I do want to say that it feels nice and clean and very soft. So like I said before, this mask was for deep cleaning, exfoliation, and pore minimizing. As far as deep cleaning, I feel like my skin looks nice and clean. I feel like there definitely is some deep cleaning effect because you're pulling stuff off of your face. That's what it feels like. It's a nice feeling. I don't know. There's something oddly satisfying with peel off masks, and it is so true. It's a good feeling. I don't know what it is. But the next is exfoliation. Now I will say, as far as exfoliation, anytime I do exfoliation on my skin looks brighter to me, and so I do feel like my skin looks brighter to me at least. So there was some sort of an exfoliation feel, and your skin just feels really nice and smooth and clean. And then pore minimizing. I do want to say that I see some pore minimizing as well. My pores are not too bad to begin with, but I do see a little bit of a difference. I overall like this mask, and I did such a bad job applying it. Look how bad that looks. That's just horrible. But overall, I do like this, and I might actually purchase a full bottle, whatever it comes in. I might actually get a full one of these because I like the way it worked, and I like the way it and I like the way it felt. Gosh, guys, I need to sleep. Yeah, but I like the way it felt, and I like the way that my skin looks now. Overall, I do like how this feels, and also I do love putting masks on. Now I just need to hydrate my face with some moisturizer and go to bed because it is late. But yeah, that was quite relaxing. I'm going to go ahead and go now. Thank you guys for joining me while I unwind a little bit and try this product out. And leave me a comment letting me know if you have tried this before and what other masks I should try. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye! Guys, I could have done a better job, but I didn't.